thing is so wide. Oh my. Found him, guys. Hey, what's up? Oh my goodness. Damn. Hey, that's perfect. Feels like we just drove into Japan. Hey, what's up, RC? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. Let me find a parking real quick.
Okay.
Jeez. That's so sick. Hey, what's going on? What's happening, guys? How you doing?
Good,
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, congrats.
Thank you.
Hello. What's up, man? How you doing?
What's up? Good.
Jeez, long time no see.
Yeah. The review on your vlog next, man.
Wow.
If it's not
Looks
for you,
so
I'm not
sick.
coming,
What was that?
huh? If it's not for you, I'm not coming.
Damn.
And I thought you were gonna bring your car.
I know. One of my headlights is out, the passenger side, the low beam. So that's why.
I saw your
So you want to tell them what you have going on?
I got stage 1 straight pipe on my Subaru right now. It's 2010 WRX tires.
Has a nice stretch. The tires. You have this beast right here, and then you have the other beast over there. Which one do I look at?
Right there.
Check out this one. I'm sure you guys have seen this one all over the Instagram. Charge speed wide body kit. Check out that front bumper, the lip on there. This thing belongs in a showroom. That's how clean it is. Bride rear seat delete with the carbon fiber. Looks like an auto power half cage. Bride seats with the harnesses. Works bell. I think that's a Vertex steering wheel. So I can't tell because it's too dark. Yeah, two-seater Subi. Yeah, I got my phone. I gotta show these guys. Check that out. Carbon fiber rear seat delete, 1 of 1. It even smells like JDM in here. Wow. Man, I don't know, but I think the Bay Area has probably the best Subis, if I'm being honest. Damn. That fitment. Fresh wide body. How long was the process for this? About like 6-7 months?
7 months.
It finally came through.
I ordered the body kit last April.
Yeah.
I got it like what? Straight to body shop.
So as far as the charge speed kit, it's the front bumper and then the wide body, front fenders, rear bumpers, so everything.
Yeah, size this full.
Man, I'll tell you what, they did an excellent job matching the paint also. That's so badass. R888s. Where's Vaughn at? Vaughn? Talk to him. So what do we have going on?
Reveal, huh?
Reveal.
So this is gonna be the real video?
Yes.
Okay. This is my Subaru 05 WRX. I just got it ready. From WRB to mineral white metallic from BMW M4.
Ooh.
Basic carbon players.
Wow.
Wide wheels, meaty tires.
What's the wheel setup with the tires?
18/11 plus 10. And the tires are 295/30.
Damn.
18.
Going back to the rear wing, what wing is this?
This is carbon 8 wing.
Wow. Absolutely insane. If you ever sell this swing, let me know.
Yeah, actually, you'll be my first man right here.
Thank you, man.
0607 tail lights right there.
Yeah.
Of
Something a
course.
little different, right?
Yeah, of course, Tomei.
The Tomei.
Tomei gang.
Tomei gang. Catless all the way?
No.
No?
Because I just had Smag before.
Okay.
So yeah, everything's stock. Even in the intake. I know my specs are whack right now, but pretty soon.
Nah, man, it looks absolutely insane. It looks so aggressive. Just look at that tire sticking
I'll see a
out.
lot of parts to install it. Janitors.
The holy grails.
Yeah.
And check out that Java Black Pearl paint match on there. Wow, man. These are so hard to find, especially for the LED.
I painted those because of your car, dude.
Hey, there we
I really
go.
wanna have-
Thank you, man. Hey.
And I still have to install the front piece right here for the bumpers.
You
I
get
don't
for the
wanna-
wide body kit?
Yes, for the wide body, the
Okay.
flares right here, right?
Uh-huh.
So I have my Brembos pretty soon.
You're doing a good job, man. Keep it up.
Thanks. I had the carbon cluster scheme.
Uh-huh.
I had a quick release hub from NRI Night Runner.
Night Runner. This thing was very limited.
Yeah, limited.
And then what steering wheel? The Momo steering wheel?
Momo steering wheel, 350 mm. And of course, access port. And a custom center gauge from the AC vent.
I remember seeing this car like probably about 2 years ago.
Oh yeah, dude.
Huge difference. I'm gonna put pictures here just so you guys can see the difference, the
6-speed
before and
swap.
after. 6-speed swap.
Yes. Came from 2017 WRX. I bought it a good deal.
Wow.
That's why I only need the clutch. Yeah. But the guy came in. He asked me, why don't you just buy my 6-speed from transmission? It comes with a stage 2 clutch. Let me see. You want me to turn on the car or what?
Yeah, turn it on.
I have a LED on them. That's why it's so bright.
Damn. Oh boy. Oh my goodness.
How is this? Right here. Is this? Right here. Oh, right here.
Look at that reverse scoop. Cold air in, hot air out. Front mount soon. Look at that lineup. Oh my goodness. Dude, that thing is so wide. Oh my god. I'm over here in the Nissan Altima. Oh, security. Sick.